Hi and welcome. Blossom 6, 6th class English textbook, first lesson, Clever Tenali Ramakrishna. In the previous video lesson, reading A, part 1, I explained it. Now I am going to explain question answers. Please watch it carefully and try to make good answers. Let us come and see question answers. See, first question. Who was the most famous painter? The right answer, Chitravarma was the most famous painter in the first lesson. Okay, next I am going to ask a second question. Children, ready to make answers yourself. Okay, where did Chitravarma was work? Where did Chitravarma was work? See, the right answer, Chitravarma was worked in the court of Sri Krishna Devaraya. The right answer is Chitravarma was worked in the court of Sri Krishna Devaraya. Next, third question. How were Chitravarma's paintings? Third question. How were Chitravarma's paintings? See, the right answer, Chitravarma's paintings were very beautiful. Chitravarma's paintings were very beautiful. Okay, children, listen carefully. Okay, next, fourth question. Who was the emperor mentioned in the page? Who was the emperor mentioned in the page? The right answer, the emperor mentioned in the page was Sri Krishna Devaraya. The emperor mentioned in the passage was Sri Krishna Devaraya. Okay, children. Next, I am going to ask fifth question. Which does look so natural? Which does look so natural? The right answer, Chitravarma's paintings look natural. Chitravarma's paintings look natural. Okay, children. Next, I am going to ask sixth question. What does the praise Your Majesty means? What does the praise Your Majesty means? The praise Your Majesty means a title of respect used to the king or queen. Once again, I will explain. I will tell you this sixth question answer. The praise Your Majesty means a title of respect and used to the king or queen. Next, I am going to ask seventh question. According to king, who was the unique painter? Seventh question. According to the king, who was the unique painter? The right answer, according to the king, Chitravarma was the unique painter. According to the king, Chitravarma was the unique painter. Next, eighth question. Children, listen carefully and observe and try to make answers. Okay, eighth question. What did the king offer Chitravarma? What did the king offer Chitravarma? The king offered Chitravarma he would get whatever he wanted. The king offered Chitravarma he would get whatever he wanted. Next, I am going to tell and ask you third question. Who deserved the king encouragement? Who deserved the king's encouragement? The right answer, Chitravarma deserved king's encouragement. Chitravarma deserved king's encouragement. And the last and final question, 10th one. Okay, What was Chitravarma's reply? The right answer, it was all king's affection and encouragement. It was all king's affection and encouragement. Okay, children, these are the question answers from reading A, part 1, passage question answers. Now, I would like to explain reading A, part 2, passage. See the textbook number 3, page number 3. One by one, I will explain Telugu and English in our clever Tenali Ramakrishna. Let us come and open your textbook. See the page number 3. See, Sri Krishna Devaraya. Okay, top of the page, Sri Krishna Devaraya. Your presence in the Council of Advisors will be a boon to the Vijayanagara Empire. I will read once again. See, observe carefully, children. Your presence in the Council of Advisors will be a boon to the Vijayanagara Empire. In Telugu, ఈ విజయనగర సామ్రాజ్యంలోని కౌన్సిల్లో మీరు ఉండటం మాకు ఒక వరం అని అన్నాడు. ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్, సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ కన్వర్జేషన్ బిట్వీన్ శ్రీకృష్ణదేవరాయ, చిత్రవర్మ, తెనాలి రామకృష్ణ అండ్ courtiers. So how it is going on once again to explain. Chitravarma's presence in the council of advisor. Advisor means a person who gives advices. Boon means a gift, a great gift. Empire means kingdom. Okay, this is the Sri Krishna Devaraya's explanation. Okay, next, what when the Sri Krishna Devaraya said that words, it means your presence in the council of advisors will be a boon to the Vijayanagara Empire. Then the Chitravarma replied, I am afraid I am not. Your Majesty, your blessings are worth the strength of 1,000 elephants. Once again, I will read Chitravarma's reply in textbook lines. See, I am afraid I am not, Your Majesty. Your blessings are worth the strength of 1,000 elephants. In Telugu, లేదు లేదు రాజా, నేను చేయలేను. మీ యొక్క అభ్యర్థనను, మీ యొక్క ఆశీర్వాదం నాకు 1000 ఏనుగుల బలంతో సమానం. నేను ఆ పదవి చేయలేను అని చిత్రవర్మ అంటున్నాడు. ఓకే, ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్, ఐఎమ్ అఫ్రైడ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ ప్రైజ్. ఐఎమ్ అఫ్రైడ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ ప్రైజ్. ఐఎమ్ సారీ, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు టేక్ దట్ వన్, వాట్ ఎవర్ టు యువర్ బ్లెస్సింగ్స్, బట్ ఐ గాట్ 1,000 elephants strength you gave me. Okay, see here, Chitravarma politely said, O Majesty, O King, your blessings are worth the strength of 1,000 elephants. మీ ప్రోత్సాహం, మీ ఆశీర్వాదం నాకు 1000 ఏనుగుల బలాన్ని ఇచ్చింది అంటున్నాడు. ఓకే, దెన్ శ్రీకృష్ణదేవరాయ సెడ్, నో, ఏ గ్రేట్ పెయింటర్ లైక్ యూ షుడ్ బి రివార్డ్ ఇన్ ఏ ఫిట్టింగ్ మేనర్. See what Sri Krishna Devaraya said. No, a great painter like you should be rewarded in a fitting manner. In Telugu, నీలాంటి గొప్ప పెయింటర్ను నేను ఏదో ఒక విధంగా సత్కరించి తీరాలి. శ్రీకృష్ణదేవరాయ చెప్తున్నాడు, నీలాంటి గొప్ప పెయింటర్ను నేను ఏదో ఒక విధంగా సత్కరించి తీరాలి అని. ఓకే, ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్, నో, you are a great painter. You are suitable for this job or gift. Here fitting means suitable. Okay, let us read it next. See, your highness is merciful. See, ending of the sentence we can find out exclamation mark. Okay, grammar topic sentences, assertive sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, interrogative sentence. 4 sentences are there. Okay, we can find out in our grammar videos. Just watch and enjoy and learn grammar topic also. Okay, see here, your highness is merciful, Chitravarma said. In Telugu, మీ యొక్క దయాహృదయం నాకు చాలా గొప్పది మహారాజా, మీ యొక్క దయార్థ హృదయం చాలా గొప్పది. See in English, your highness is very kindness in this way. Chitravarma accepted is a reward. Okay, next see. Then Sri Krishna Devaraya said, what Sri Krishna Devaraya said? Thinking for a while, he snapped his fingers. Snapped means chitke. Chitke వేయటాన్ని snapped అంటాం. Okay, see here, thinking for a while, he snapped his fingers. You will be my chief advisor from today onwards. Observe advisor, ADVISOR, advisor. Okay, don't write ADVISER. Some of them write, so that is the wrong. We must write ADVISOR. This is the right way, advisor. Okay, see in Telugu, కొద్దిసేపు బాగా ఆలోచించి వెంటనే చిటిక వేసి, ఈ రోజు నుంచి నా ముఖ్య సలహాదారుల్లో నువ్వు ఒకనిగా ఉండాలి అని శ్రీకృష్ణదేవరాయలు చిత్రవర్మతో అంటున్నాడు. ఓకే, ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్, he is thinking for a while and he snapped his fingers. You are my chief advisor from today onwards. It is possible to manage a painter can handle the official works? I think it is not possible. Let us come. Finally, what had happened? Next, see the next para. What? I cannot understand how I am blessed, Your Majesty. Once again, I will read what Chitravarma's reply. See, what? I cannot understand how I am blessed, Your Majesty. See in Telugu, ఆశ్చర్యంతో ఏంటి నాకేం అర్థం కావటం లేదు మహారాజా అని అంటున్నాడు చిత్రవర్మ. ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్, ఫీల్స్ వెరీ సర్ప్రైజ్డ్ అండ్ సే ఐ కాంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ హౌ ఐ బ్లెస్డ్ యువర్ మ్యాజెస్టీ. Immediately Ramakrishna said, see the next line. Excuse me, Your Majesty. Excuse me, Your Majesty. He is talented in painting, but would it be a right decision to make him? Once again, I will read this Ramakrishna's reply in textbook. See, excuse me, Your Majesty. He is talented in painting, but would it be a right decision to make him? See, in Telugu explanation, క్షమించండి మహారాజా, ఇతను పెయింటింగ్స్లో చాలా నైపుణ్యం కలవాడు, కానీ అతనిని ఈ విధంగా నియమించటం సరైందేనా మహారాజా? ఎవరి నైపుణ్యం ఎట్టిదో ఆ చోటే ఉపయోగించాలి అని అర్థం. ఓకే, ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్, excuse me, Your Majesty. Chitravarma was a talented painter, but not talented in administration. Is it a correct decision to make him? Then the emperor feel angry, then say like this. See, what emperor feel? Sri Krishna Devaraya, the emperor of Vijayanagara, knows what is right. Minister, please make an announcement that Chitravarma will be the chief advisor hereafter in our court. Once again, I will read text over lines. See, the Emperor of Vijayanagar knows what is right. Minister, please make an announcement that Chitravarma will be the chief advisor hereafter in our court. In Telugu, విజయనగర చక్రవర్తికి తెలుసు ఏది మంచో ఏది చెడో. దయచేసి అందరికీ తెలియజేయండి. ఈ క్షణం నుంచి మన సంస్థానానికి ప్రధాన సలహాదారునిగా చిత్రవర్మను నియమించటం జరిగింది అని శ్రీకృష్ణదేవరాయ సభ మధ్యలో అనౌన్స్ చేశాడు. ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్, డూ యు నో రామకృష్ణ? The Emperor of Vijayanagara knows what is right or wrong. Minister, please announce that Chitravarma will be the chief advisor hereafter in the court. Okay children, this is the reading A part 2 explanation. Next I will explain question answers on this topic. Please like and share my videos.